Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rahul Kumar and today we are going to learn about cybersecurity. You must have heard about somebody saying that I have been fraud by a hacker or by a link or something. What does it mean? Have you ever thought how did it happen to him or her? So today in this video we are going to learn about what, why and how this happens. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, these are the topic which today we will cover. Okay, introduction to cybersecurity, types of cybersecurity threats, security measures and practices. Okay, here we go. Now, what is cybersecurity or what do you mean by cybersecurity? Okay, wait a while. First, you think, what do you understand by security or what does it do? It means that it protects something, or if we take an example of a home, where a security guard watches who is moving, coming and protect the house from thief or other things which are bad for us or for our house. In the same way, cybersecurity does the work, but the difference is that security protect our house, children from being injured or something else, etc. But cybersecurity protects our data from unauthorized access. Here I included a definition which means cybersecurity prevent our useful data or system from malicious activity. Here malicious activity means any behavior or action that is intended to harm or damage computer system, network or data. Okay, now it seems that you have known about cybersecurity. Now we are going to learn how many types of cybersecurity threats are. Number 1, phishing, malware, ransomware, weak passwords, insider threats. Okay, now what is phishing? By hearing this term, you will be thinking of catching of a fish. Absolutely right. In the same way, attackers send us a malicious link to login credential or financial information by posing as a trustworthy entity such as bank, social media site or government agency. Okay, now malware. Malware is a software designed to cause harm to a computer system or gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. Malware can be spread through email, attachment, etc. Okay, now the third point is ransomware. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts a victim files, rendering them inaccessible and then demand a payment in exchange for the decryption key. It means that the attacker will charge a amount for your data. Okay, fourth point is weak password. Let's guess, if I put my laptop password 123456, if a person who is unknown to me will easily can open my laptop, because generally people uses the password for their mobile laptop 123456, which make a person to unlock it easily. So we must keep our lock or password hard to prevent from unauthorized access. Okay. Now point number 5, insider threats. Insider threats are cybersecurity risks posed by individuals who have authorized access to sensitive data or systems such as employees, contractors or business partners. It means that this will be happened by from a member of our community, that is he or she can be employees, contractors or a business partner of us. These threats can be intentional or unintentional, can be very such as dissatisfaction with an employee, personal financial problem, etc. These are the issues which can make insider threats. Okay, let's move ahead. Now we have read about types of threat and now we will going to learn how to protect our sensitive data or devices, etc. The first security measure is to use strong password. Using strong and unique password for account is the simplest and most effective security measurement. Okay, now the second one is use two-factor authentication. It means it adds an extra layer of security while requiring access of an account. Now the third one is keep software up to date. It means we should regularly install software updates and security patches to protect our system against vulnerabilities. Okay, now fourth summary, use antivirus software. It is also the same as above. That is, install and regularly update antivirus software to detect and prevent malware function. Fifth number is monitor system activity. We can implement monitoring system to detect suspicious activity. And the last is use encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest to prevent unauthorized. Okay, let's have one example. You must have seen this term encryption on WhatsApp. That is, messages are encrypted, which means only senders and receivers can read the message. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you better understand by this video. Okay, bye bye. Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you.